Welcome aboard! Hi. What? Oh! Are you okay? Your titties are pulsating. You're fine. Yeah, I need to see your papers.
Ρε εσύ, φέτος για τα γενέθλια της γιαγιάς θέλω τα καλύτερα. Προσκλήσεις έστειλες. Εννοείται ρε, όλη η οικογένεια θα έρθει. Τούρτα, πήρες. Όχι ρε, θα την πάρω σήμερα.
Excuse me, is there a problem?
Yes, everything is fine. We are just planning my grandma's birthday.
Weren't you guys fighting?
No, we are not fighting.
Huh? Hi, can I get a sandwich, please? That'll be $10, please. Thank you. Hi, can I help you with anything? Oh no, I'm just waiting for the toilet.